How to change transfer limit CIMB click. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the transfer limit CIMB click. First, navigate to Services, then Limits and Alerts. Your current daily transaction limit is the amount that you see displayed for each of the online banking services. If you wish to change the daily transaction limit for any of the online banking services, simply select your new limit from the drop-down box provided, enter TAC, and then click the Submit button. As a security measure, a 12-hour cooling period will take place when you increase your transaction limit. The revised transaction limit will only be effective once the cooling off period ends, approximately 12 hours after receiving a notification from them. During the cooling off period, you may continue to perform transactions up to your existing limit. The cooling off period does not apply if you are reducing your transaction limit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.